Hey friends, if you wish to open command prompt on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator in the right pane to open it as an administrator. Search for command prompt and simply open it to open the normal command prompt window. You will not have administrator rights, but you can run any command with which you need information and you do not wish to make changes. Like for example, if you run the ipconfig command, you'll get a lot of information, the IP address and everything, but it does not give you administrator rights to change anything. Another way is to press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window and then type CMD and hit enter. So this is also one more way of opening command prompt. Okay. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.